The Uganda Muslim Supreme Council has installed Sheikh Abdulmalik Byaruhanga as the new district Khadi for Rukungiri Muslim district at the function attended by hundreds of people. Top officials from the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council led the entourage.
Sheikh Abdulmalik Byaruhanga.
At the function, President Yoweri Museveni was represented by Security Minister Major General Jim Muhwezi. Honorable Jim Muhwezi held Muslims for the recent Uganda Muslim Supreme Council general elections and promised them that NRM government will continue supporting all religions and religious institutions equally.
The government supports all religions, all institutions equally. On a personal note, nienda kwebaza Mufti nimukunda munonga aba his leadership, calmness.
President Museveni donated to the district Khadi a new brand car which was delivered to him by Minister Muhwezi at the event. The Mufti of Uganda, Sheikh Shaban Ramadan Mubaje, called on all Muslim leaders to avoid conflicts over selfish interests. The newly installed district Khadi of Rukungiri, Sheikh Abdulmalik Byaruhanga, congratulated the Muslim community of Rukungiri for the support they gave him.
Don't become divided. Kama Ruhanga na tukira twena twekwate ahamu guhagweye kandi tutakaza mu okwakukana yakukana.